You've been there, staring at the screen, staring at the day, wondering if the spark ever returns, if the voice ever says yes instead of not yet. You hear it, the story you told yourself, that you're done, that you've lost the chance. But what if that story is wrong? What if the chance you seek is waiting behind one more try, behind one more sunrise, one more breath, one more step? Because hope doesn't shout, it whispers, and it grows quietly. While you're busy doubting, it's building. While you're busy watching others win, it's preparing you to rise. So start again, not because it's easy, but because it's possible. Because everything you need is already in you, and the world you want is ahead. This is Media Management.